Have you been wanting to change your look for a long time, but don't know where to start? We've got everything from barely there changes to radical ones. So grab a cup of coffee and get ready as we explore the world of haircuts. These ideas will help change your style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and write what hairstyles you like best. Get ready for 2023. The latest hair braiding styles to look out for. Hair braiding is a great way to add texture and style to your look. But as with any fashion trend, it's important to stay up to date on the latest hair braiding styles so you can keep your look fresh and on trend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the upcoming hair braiding trends for 2023 so you can be ready for the new year. Different hair braiding styles suit different people. If you have long, straight hair, then you might want to try a French braid or a fishtail braid. If you have curly hair, then a Dutch braid or a waterfall braid might be more your style. And if you have short hair, then a simple three-strand braid might be all you need. No matter your hair type, there are plenty of hair braiding styles that suit you. Experiment with different looks and find the one that best expresses your personality. When it comes to hair care, there are a few things to keep in mind when you have braided hair. First, it's important to make sure your scalp is healthy and free of any buildup or dandruff, as this can cause your braids to loosen and unravel. You should also avoid using any harsh chemicals or heat styling tools on your hair, as this can damage the delicate strands. To keep your braids looking their best, start by shampooing and conditioning your hair regularly with a gentle, sulfate-free formula. When you're ready to style, use a leave-in conditioner to help protect your hair from heat damage. Then, gently brush through your braids with a wide-tooth comb before creating any updos or styles. When it comes time to take them out, avoid yanking on the individual braids, as this can cause breakage. Instead, carefully undo each braid starting at the bottom and working your way up. Once they're all out, give your hair a good brush through before washing it again with a clarifying shampoo to remove any buildup. When it comes to hair braiding styles, there are a variety of looks that can be achieved depending on the occasion. For example, a more casual hairstyle may be suitable for running errands or going to the gym, whereas a more intricate style would be better suited for an event like a wedding or party. Below, we've put together a list of some of the most popular occasions that hair braiding styles can be worn for: weddings, updos with braids, parties, stylish braided updos, proms, elegant side braids, graduations, sleek and chic top knots, barbecues, picnics, low messy buns with face-framing tendrils, beach vacations, bohemian fishtail braids. Whatever the occasion may be, there is definitely a hair braiding style to suit it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and write which hairstyle ideas you like the most. And here are some videos you love. I'm sure you'll find some fresh ideas for your look.